Whipples, and we had Joe come by and do our patio. And I was really nervous about having the work done because of all the detail work we have when we had the columns made. And he did such a fine job on this. We're so pleased. If you can see right here, he didn't have to cut any of the trim work or cut into any of our columns. And we are just thrilled with the work he did, how patient he was with me, and how picky I was. And he was very, very pleasant to work with. And I cannot say enough about how well and how happy this whole project went. And it took him about 3 days. And he even cleaned up everything. It was wonderful. Good experience.
Well, we called Advanced Solar Screen, and we were kind of concerned of how it would affect the existing patio that we had, but they worked with us for several months until we could come up with a mutually satisfactory plan, and we are so pleased with what we ended up with. It was very professional work. The workers were, always working. They were just doing a great job. We were very pleased.
Okay. Thank you.